Nigga, I am top bound, riding with my top down, point of no return. So nigga, I can't stop now. I just spit bullets, so these niggas getting popped now. And they had to nickname me Diamond cause I rock now. I'm living on the edge, you niggas walk a tight one. I tell the haters, for your judge my raps, you better write one. Don't have to rock a chain, bitches still love me despite one. I drop my straight bitch and now she fucking with my dyke one.
You find her, I bash her. You check her, I cash her. You blend her, I mash her. Like Red Tube, I thrash her. She's slower, I'm faster. She in the right lane, I pass her. Lay her ass out like the wall, bitch, plaster. Flying over her with the dragon, I'ma capture. Practice the game, so became I the master. Nigga, I'm shining, just like a medal. In first place, golden level.
They used to say a rapper wasn't something I could be. Good thing I learned to stay up. When they lied to me, I could see that I was destined for greatness. So close to the top that I could almost taste it. So while they went bananas, they watched me go ape shit. I took away the E and now they mad because I made it. Maybe if you're hammered, the meaning might hit ya. Maybe if you're black and blue, you'll get the right picture. Maybe when I spit my verse, you'll take it as a scripture. But if you dig yourself a hole, then I just might ditch ya. Nobody has flushed. In other words, I'm still this shit. I remain ill, and I don't mean that I'm really sick.
You dirty,
ha.
Chillin' in the trash bag. I was shining in the past, nigga, call it flashback. Whole teams can't stop me. One man wolf pack. You headed in the wrong direction, nigga, while you backtrack. Ha. Escape, emergency exit. Trying to chill out, but I'm young and so reckless. Make hella movies, I'm a film flicker. The snake comes out, your bitch might quiver. Give her the shivers, pound out some whimpers. And when I'm done, I just drop her like timber. Ha. We don't love these hoes. Why you stay wiping them, no one knows.
I am only 17, just getting started. I'm chilling in the crib, getting laid like carpet. These niggas think they spotted safe, but I'm about to park it. Even looking at the whip is about to make your car sick. I'm the man that all of these bitches wanna see. She said that he was broke and that she wanted me as warranty. Now everybody wanna know how I made it. I kept a cool head with my back to the basics. Now I'm running shit, you niggas gotta pace it. What I got is vodka flow, you niggas gotta chase it. Yeah, it's a movement, tell your brothers and your sisters. Everyone gets run over unless they're rolling with us.
Back to the point, I am that nigga. I make the swag, you just a trender. I am a car, you just a fender. You set the rules, I'm an amender. This is my game, do not offend her. Biting my line, so that makes you a stealer. Hook and line and stick your girl when I meet her, which means my demeanor buys with her nice features. Ha! I wanted it, so I went and got it with no ID. Called it legally copping. Started on Alpha, now on Omega. Bitch, I'm fly. Beta Sigma Delta.
Yeah, so you better get with it. Just do it cause I did it. I'ma get it and make it look good with my fitted.
Nigga.